Morning everyone. We are Team Switchman. We are a member of three branches, Sarita and our Norimas, presenting our project to you.
So our problem statement is an efficient note taker. So we know that students face the notes which are not sufficient for the competitive exams and difficulty in summarizing complex content. So basically our website will summarize the complex content and the lack of real-time interaction in traditional e-learning platforms. So basically our solution is automated note taking. So basically the student work our website will generate the automated notes and if the student want to save the notes in his or device then it will save in summary generation. Our website will generate the summary of the notes of video lecture which will cover as a 3 points and interactive discussion forums for seamless and learning experience. We will make like the comment sections that students will interact with each other they will tell they will tell about the experience of the videos and the problems. What is the platform? What is this platform? The software is designed to facilitate teaching and learning using digital tools and supports a wide range of educational activities such as online courses. Our website will contain different types of online courses and the platform provides access to structured courses that includes videos, quizzes and interactive sessions. Real-time summarization is the process of generating concise real-time summaries of the large data streams, which will help the students to revise the notes very quickly.
Now the next one. Our website will be using React.js or we can say Next.js. Next.js is built on top of React, so therefore it will be using React.js, Node.js, React.js and Next.js at the same time. And for the database, we are planning to use MongoDB and Postgres. MongoDB as for the content discussion platform, best suited for it will be MongoDB as it will have the structure which can scale, it have the structure which can concise. Depending on the needs, and we are using Postgres to it for our database. For the major content, for example, like our video lectures, our course content, that all will be present in the form of Postgres. And for designing, here we are using Tintin CSS and a library for Tintin CSS that's Shellscape, which provides the input format in the form of packages of code. And the API we'll be using, as we discussed, we are using the real-time summarization based on the caption generated out of the text of the video lectures. For this, we will be using Hugging Face API. As Hugging Face API, it can help generate captions real time as well as it can help generate the summaries at the same time. Basically, when the video is uploaded by the teachers or lecturer, at the same time, summary is generated and it's stored in the database. If a student wants to access it, it can access it later.
Key features. So the main key features of our platform is diverse course library and it covers topics like technologies, business, art, health and personal development. Flexible learning, self-paced with lifetime access. So support, so इससे जो प्लेटफॉर्म्स होते हैं वो लाइफ टाइम एक्सेस नहीं देते हैं, कुछ टाइम का एक्सेस देते हैं, बट हम लोगों ने लाइफ टाइम एक्सेस दिया है और कंपेटेबल विद मोबाइल एंड डेस्कटॉप डिवाइसेस. सो कई लोग प्रेफर नहीं करते हैं कि वो डेस्कटॉप में कोर्सेज को देखें और कोर्सेज को यूज़ करें, तो इसलिए हम लोगों ने मोबाइल का भी ऑप्शन दिया है जो मोबाइल्स में भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं हमारे प्लेटफॉर्म. नोट मेकिंग, it involves using digital tools to allow students and educators to create their own notes in an organized and concise way. Real-time summarization. So as she said, real-time summarization तो बहुत ही लंबा वीडियो है, 1 or 2 hours का. तो कई लोग वो रिवाइज करना है, तो वो पूरा वीडियोस तो नहीं देखेंगे एक बार में कि फिर से वो बैठे और फिर से एक और बार नया वीडियोस देखें. तो इसलिए हम लोगों ने रियल टाइम समराइजेशन यूज़ किया है, AI यूज़ किया है जो कुछ बुलेट पॉइंट्स को लेगा और उस बुलेट पॉइंट्स से एक नोट्स बनाएगा और वो पूरे वीडियोस को के बुलेट पॉइंट्स को उस नोट्स में कंटेन करेगा, ताकि कि जिसको भी रिवाइज करना हो वो सिर्फ और सिर्फ वो नोट्स को पढ़ सके। एग्जिस्टिंग सॉफ्टवेयर ऑफ दिस टाइप, सो ऑब्वियसली हमारे प्लेटफॉर्म की तरह ही बहुत सारे प्लेटफॉर्म्स हैं लाइक यूडेमी, कोसेरा, लिंक्डइन लर्निंग, बट हमारे प्लेटफॉर्म में क्या डिफरेंस है? हमारे प्लेटफॉर्म रियल टाइम समराइजेशन यूज़ करेगा, AI यूज़ करेगा, और नोट मेकिंग का एक अलग फीचर यूज़ करेगा, डिस्कशन का एक अलग फीचर होगा कि कुछ बच्चे वहाँ पे डिस्कस कर सकते हैं। और जैसे उसने बोला, जैसा मेरी टीममेट ने बोला कि जब वो वीडियोस चलेंगे उसमें एक ये वाला पॉइंट भी होगा, जो एजुकेटर है वो अच्छा पढ़ा रहा है या बुरा पढ़ा रहा है, तो उसका लाइक एंड डिसलाइक वाला फीचर भी होगा। सो हम लोगों ने बहुत सारे ऐसे पॉइंट्स को देख के प्लेटफॉर्म को यूज़ बनाया है, ताकि कि इससे जितने भी स्टूडेंट्स हैं उनको ज़्यादा और ज़्यादा आसानी हो नई चीज़ें लर्न करने में। What do you know in class?
There are AI diagrams. In this, we have the user. Obviously, there will be a user for every application. The user will have two roles, either a student or a teacher. It depends on it. If someone is a student, one can enroll into the courses, or if there is a teacher can create a course. Every course will contain the name of the teacher itself and the student, which are different. The course itself will not contain, but the reference of the course will be there in the enrollment section. It will contain the details such as the students enrolled in particular course. Every enrollment is distributed and every course is connected to the enrollment. And for this we have events as well. Events will include something like discussion what we had discussed. It will be in the event board. And for every lecture there can be ratings option as well and the comment option as well, which will also be in the event section. Now the usage level. As discussed, a student and a teacher. A student can create on his viewboard everything that a student has access to in the platform. And the role of instructor is to instructor will create their own identity, create their courses. They can create their courses once the admin approves them to create. And there's administrator. Administrator has the right basically, if someone reports something like there's some inappropriate content, admin has the right to revoke that. There is one more feature, that's tagging. Admin can create tags. For example, a new topic has to be enrolled. For example, there's a tech platform in it. If one needs to enroll something like want to add a course, for example, a business course in it, admin can add tags to it. Admin can allow the instructor to add new text such that one can create a tag named business. In this, instructor can create a course based on the business